Good morning, kids. Welcome back after a very long weekend. I hope you had a restful, relaxing time and got to see many of the people that you love and that care for you. We're kicking off math this week with a test review. Starting tomorrow, you will be having a mid-module 1 assessment, which is a test to see how well you're understanding the multiplication and division concepts we have covered so far. So for the review, you're going to click into the week 4 assignments, go to the math folder, and right here you've got the assignment. It's a page, so it's just written out what you're supposed to do. The test review here. Here's my voice reading these instructions. Complete the homework from lessons 1 through lesson 10 in the green workbook. If you finish with time to spare, go to Dreambox and work through assignments that have the image of the blue calendar. So this is just work that some of it you may already have finished. In those first few lessons, I had you do the lesson, the problem set, and the homework. So I would guess that some of that is already finished. But if it's not, that's okay. And again, I do not want you to stress out if you don't get all the way finished. It's okay. Start from the beginning, work your way through, and in our live session we will be covering the math here where it says Monday 3, Monday Math 3, the live group test review. So the black group will go in here and we'll do our test review together. So we'll actually see a document that looks like the test and work through it together. Do not do these on your own. These are for our live session. That's why it says live here. The Dreambox that's assigned to you is also designed to support your understanding of these multiplication and division concepts, so that will help too. If you've already done all of the homework in your workbooks, then go straight to Dreambox, and that will help you with this test that we're going to start tomorrow as well. Hope everything is well and good luck, and I think that we're going to have a great short week.